What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video I'll be showing you how to make some delicious shrimp cocktail. This is so quick, simple and easy and you'll absolutely love it. So guys, let's get started. Now this is how I clean my shrimp. So these shrimps are shell on. I'm just going to go ahead and remove the shell. I'm going to leave the tail on for presentation purpose. Then I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to run it down the back of the shrimp. We don't want to go too deep, and we're going to remove that vein. And oftentimes it's on the inside too, so I'm going to do the same. And basically this is how I clean my shrimp. Now I'm going to go ahead and pat dry these with a piece of paper towel. We're going to remove some of the excess water because we're going to roast these in the oven. And we're going to go ahead and season with salt, pepper and olive oil. Now I'm going to go ahead and massage this, and I'm going to sort them on the pan because oftentimes the shrimp will curl up. So even if it curl up, we don't want it curling too much. So I'm going to stretch them out a bit, and then I'm going to roast this in a 400-degree oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. No longer than that. We don't want to overcook them. After 8 to 10 minutes, we don't want to leave them on the baking sheet, so we're going to remove this to another pan and allow it to cool down completely. Now we're going to allow this to cool. You could cool this in your refrigerator, or you could just leave it at a cool place. Now we're going to go ahead and work on our sauce. Now I'm going to go in with some ketchup, some sweet chili sauce, some mayonnaise, some chili powder, some lemon juice. We're going to go ahead and give this a whisk, and you can add a pinch of salt to taste. And of course you could go ahead and buy store-bought cocktail sauce if you don't have any. And also if you can't, because the stuff in the cocktail sauce like horseradish and so on, if you don't have it, this is the perfect one for you to try along with. And trust me, this goes with everything. I'm going to give this a good whisk to dissolve, and then I'm going to arrange my cocktail. Now I'm just going to take the shrimp and I'm going to place them all around my serving platter with my dipping sauce. Let me tell you guys, this was so delicious. If you have reached this far in the video and you haven't yet subscribed, hit the subscription button, turn on the post notification bell so you never miss any of my future uploads. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and let me know what you think about this video down in the comment section, and let me know if you try this recipe and what are your thoughts on it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and arrange, and I'm going to go ahead and add the rest. Now this is what my shrimp cocktail platter is looking like, and let me tell you guys, this was so good. This went by in minutes. Now this can be served at a party, or you could just make this and have it in your refrigerator as a snack, or you know, just something that you like to eat. Now I went ahead and just squeeze some lemon juice over it, and I'm going to give it a taste. And trust me guys, this was to die for. Guys, you need to try this recipe and tell me what you think about it. Until then, my beautiful people, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.